कर दिया कमाल अपना भाई रोहित हिटमैन ने भाई. व्हाट अ प्लेयर मैन. Hitting century after this retirement rumors from all cricket fans and all cricket personalities was a big comeback from him. He cleared his all doubts from retirement and ensure his availability for 2027 ODI World Cup, that I am the batsman that will dominate in that World Cup and ODI format. He always prefer ODI cricket as the main format of this cricket game, and he always dominate that format along with Virat Kohli. They both are biggest or giant player in India for ODI cricket. The top order Shubman Gill, Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli scored around 288 or 289 in a big run chase target of 388. That is a massive hitting ability from top order, but they failed to chase the target because of middle order and tail ender not scoring around 100 run, but their talent, batting skills and their hitting run scoring ability make them ensure that they are the god of ODI cricket, and they will play that 2027 ODI World Cup and lift that trophy. The main happiness is that Rohit Sharma scored century with many big hitting sixes. That is very joyful and enjoyable to watch. That's all we have. Go Rohit Sharma, go well, and we all hope to see the top order of Indian cricket team in 2027 World Cup and lift that trophy.